Okay, here's what I got. I added 5. I squared both sides to get rid of the radical. And I double-checked the 9 to make sure it worked, and it did. So hopefully you got that same thing. The only other kind of problem you'll have in your homework for tonight is one where like a radical covers a whole side like this. Okay, so I have the square root of x plus 3, and the whole x plus 3 is underneath the square root. And I say that equals -5. Okay, well, because the square root covers the whole side, I'm just going to square both sides right now. Okay, so that squared, and so over here I get x plus 3, and that's 25. Okay, next we'll subtract 3. I get x equals 22. Now, of course, we need to double check this in the original equation. So let me go ahead and punch that in. So I have the square root of 22 plus 3 equals -5. Whoops, I'm going to have to scoot it over, okay? There we go. And so 22 plus 3 is 25. But that's just 5. So plug it back into the equation, and when you get an answer that doesn't work, you always end up with something like this, where positive equals a negative, and that's not true. And that's because when you square both sides, that negative goes away. You know, and I squared this -5 here, it was like it was just a +5. Okay, that negative lost itself. That's why we get these extra solutions sometimes. I don't think there will be any of your homework tonight that are quite like that, but it's something you need to keep in mind. This is why we're double checking, because every now and then you'll get one where it just doesn't work. You need to keep that in mind. Okay, let me give you a try it here that will work. Here's your try it. Go ahead and try it.